Need to restore your OpenShell settings after reinstalling Windows or moving to another computer. If you've already created a backup of your OpenShell configuration, you can quickly import it and get your custom Start menu back. In this guide, I'll show you how to restore OpenShell settings in 2026. First, open the Start menu and launch OpenShell menu settings. If you don't see every option, enable Show All Settings at the top of the window. Next, open the menu and look for the Restore or Load Settings option. This feature allows you to import a previously saved OpenShell backup file. Browse to the folder where you saved your OpenShell backup, select the backup file, and click Open. Make sure you choose the correct backup if you have multiple versions. Once you've selected the file, confirm the import if prompted. OpenShell will load your saved Start menu layout, appearance, and other supported settings. After the import finishes, open your Start menu and review the settings to make sure everything has been restored correctly. Check your menu layout, skins, shortcuts, and other customizations. If anything looks different from what you expected, reopen OpenShell menu settings and make any final adjustments. Once you're satisfied, your restored configuration is ready to use. And that's how to restore OpenShell settings in 2026. Your customized Start menu and preferences should now be back, making it easy to continue using Windows the way you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.